Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to my channel. I literally just finished my live stream and I discovered something. So I thought I would make a video about it. And the video is going to be about using search operators with rude words in the title for two reasons. Number one, for some reason, I don't know why, they have very, very low results on Redbubble. So you can just use this search operator. So site redbubble.com/shop in title, and then you can put any rude word you want here. And if I just open a few, this only has 1,000 results. This one here only has, are you kidding me? 1,100 results for this keyword. Are you kidding me, guys? That's absolutely insane, okay? Come on, this must have like, it's got less than 1,000 results. Are you kidding me? This, another really, really good keyword. Be careful with things like this, obviously, because you don't want to have the wrath of Bill Gates on you. This is a really good keyword. There don't seem to be any. There we go. There's one. Let's see what the best selling is here. This is always a good method of making sure that a keyword is good. There we go. This one here is great. It's so easy to make this design. Okay, let's just go through that process very quickly. Go on Canva, custom size 4,400 by 5,000, whatever I just said, 5,400. Elements, let's go rainbow. Go this one here. That's perfect. That's such a good rainbow. I love Canva. And then we just write the keyword. Nothing political, guys. It's just a keyword for me. I'm not condoning it or anything. I'm not condoning it either. No comment. And then we just find a good keyword. There we go. Perfect. A good text, a good font. And then honestly, we can say that that's a design, or we can put it here. Maybe that would look a little bit better. Oops. Drag it up. And then, yeah, we can also, if we wanted, we could just press here, and then we can just write different words here. So we can write you. And then we can write, that was another keyword that we found, etc., etc. That's a really, really good way to find to make a lot of designs quickly. I was really curious about how many results this had. Really? 173, that's amazing. That's another really amazing keyword. This will sell a lot, but obviously problems with copyright, so just be extremely careful. 13,000 results, that's insane. I don't like this keyword personally because I feel like it's profiteering, especially with these two colors. For obvious reasons, I'm not going to go into anything here, obviously, but you can understand what I'm saying. This is a great keyword. I love this keyword. Only 740 results. Amazing. I cannot believe it has that few results. This, another amazing keyword. 1,000 results. I can't believe that. I honestly can't believe that. Let's try another swear word. That's a great one. I found this keyword ages ago. And loads of people have copied it, I guess. Because it used to have so few results, and now it's just got loads and loads and loads. That's an amazing keyword. I love that keyword. This must have 1 billion results. It must do. How does it only have 1.7 thousand? Someone needs to write in the comments and explain to me how this keyword only has 1.7 thousand results. That's nuts. That's actually insane. I just want to check something, which is how many searches this has. So keyword generator. So we're going to use this free tool, and then I'm going to write the word shirt at the end because I preferably want to know how many results the shirt has. Because I was just using this on stream, I have to do this annoying captcha. Yeah, it's an amazing keyword. I can't believe how few results it has. It's just insane. This is another amazing keyword. 349 results, guys. Yeah, this summarizes how I feel about this video so far, this design. I'm going to buy this design, and I'm going to start wearing this t-shirt. just because of how insane this is. I can't believe how few results these all have. Sorry if you're squeamish to swear words. I haven't said any of the swear words, so please don't be angry with me. This is an amazing design. Okay. Pretty sure I found this design ages ago. I'm pretty sure I'm on here somewhere. This is a good keyword. It's a good design, but I don't know who this is, so be careful, obviously. Yeah, this is really good. Really good. I wonder how many results this has. Is this just the word? Yeah. 2,000 results, that's it. Some of these are, yeah, that's a great keyword. That's an amazing keyword. Oh, I love it. I absolutely love it. I'm actually a fan of swear words. I don't mind swear words at all. I probably wouldn't wear something with this word on. I probably would because I live in Italy and people don't really know the meaning. But yeah, for sure, be careful if you're gonna wear this. That's an amazing keyword as well. These are all the same person. Yeah, every single one is the same person except I think 2 or 3 at the bottom. Best selling doesn't really mean anything. If you want to know if this is actually sold, you can go on their Redbubble profile and then sort it by best selling. No, they're all the same. This one person has just joined. They just joined Redbubble, uploaded 10 designs that are the same, just different colors, and then just left. You gotta respect it, guys. You gotta give big respect to that kind of commitment. This is an amazing keyword. People will buy this as a joke present for their friends. 100%. You could do a birthday greeting card or whatever with that written on it, and I honestly believe it will sell, and it will sell very well. I think there's a reason that none of these have that high searches. It's just not searches. That high amount of results on their pages it's just people don't deal. That's really quite offensive for some people. People don't deal with these keywords. I think that's why they have such low results, but I think they will sell. And I mean, at the end of the day, this is perfect. I honestly believe this kind of thing will sell. Let's go on their thing and see if they have loads of designs and see if this is one of their best selling designs. Perfect, they got 2,000 results. Please be one of their best sellers. Go on. So they're in the birthday niche. They seem to like the birthday niche. How are they getting away with this? This should not be allowed at all. It doesn't look like the design that we were looking at is on here. Nah, I don't think it's made any sales, so it's probably not worth making. Anyway, you get the idea, guys. Putting swear words in the search operator works really well. I love making these kind of videos, guys. I love making this content, so if you found this helpful, then great. And I'll see you really soon with some more content, and peace out.